What if I told you you could take your sublimation prints and turn them into a holographic design with just powder and transfers? In my last DTF powder tutorial, I showed you my kit that I purchased from Yamation, but they just came out with a variety pack of transfers. This variety pack of film holds 5 different types of effects. The only one that is not going to work for sublimation is glow in the dark, only because sublimation does not have white toner, so please keep that in mind. After years of working with sublimation, it's not often that I get excited about new products because let's be real, sublimation is just a basic print. So when I came across this variety pack, my inspiration was absolutely fired up once again. I was so excited to add a brand new element to my basic designs. This is going to really change the world for us, and I know you're probably thinking this hack seems very long, drawn out, and maybe a stressful process. I promise you, 1 to 2 tries at this and you have it. It is actually so simple. Yeah, there's a couple extra steps, but if you're not sure how to walk through the entire process, become a bestie. I have a full step-by-step tutorial of this exact project just for you, so that you can't make any mistakes. The final reveal did not let me down. Unfortunately, I feel like my camera doesn't even do it justice. The holographic hue on this is absolutely gorgeous, and I know my niece is going to love this shirt. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below, are you going to be giving these effects a try? I hope you do, because I think you're going to love them as much as I do.